Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, girls, we are going to study about the second part of scale drawing, or how can we find scale factor. Scale factor is the thing that we are going to study today. Okay, so the scale factor is the number that I multiply by the number on the map, so I can get the actual size or the size that I want. What is the scale factor? The scale factor is the ratio between the scale itself. So here he gave you, find the scale factor of a model sailboat if the scale is 1 inch to 6 feet. Each 1 inch is equal to 6 feet. What am I going to do? It's so easy. You are going to divide the two numbers by each other. Yani, for example, 1 inch over 6 feet. Okay, and I have to write the unit because the unit is very important in this point. What am I going to do? I have to make them the same unit. So it's going to be, I will convert the 6 feet into inches. So it will be 1 over 6 times 12 to make it inches. Only the feet, I will convert it into inches. So it's going to be 1 over 72, and that's the scale factor without any units. I need the units to be the same in the beginning, and then I will cancel the units together. So it will be 1 to 72. Let's take an example. For example, like this one, what is the scale factor of a model car if the scale is 1 inch to 2 feet? He gave you here the scale, and he wants the scale factor. So the scale factor is equal to 1 inch over 2 feet. And I know that 2 feet, I will multiply by 12 to convert it into inches. So it will be equal to 1 over 2 times 12 is 24. So it's going to be here inches, and here also inches. I will cancel them together. It will be 1 over 24. And that's how I find the scale factor of any scale. For example, I will solve here number 5, for example. It will be here. He wants the length and the scale factor. Now I'm going only to find the scale factor. When I use the scale factor or find it, I need to use only the scale. See the scale, I will use it. Okay, so let's see. It will be 1 centimeter over 4 meters. I want to convert this meters, the 4 meters into centimeters. I will multiply by 100. Yani it's going to be 1 centimeter over 400 centimeters. Cross them together, yani it's equal to 1 over 400, and that's the scale factor. But to sum up, what are the units that I need to know? The units that I need to know are 1 feet is equal to 12 inches, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. If I want to convert from meters to centimeters, I will multiply by 100. If I want to convert from feet to inches, I will multiply by 12. So I have two numbers I need to memorize, 12 and 100. So to sum up, what are we going to do? We are going to take the scale and divide them by each other, like here, and then convert the units to be the same. I will convert the meters into centimeters. It's going to be here times 100, it will be 400, and then I will cross the units together. It will be, that's the scale factor. Thank you for listening. I hope you got the idea.